তুমি যা বলো তার অধিকাংশই আমি বিশ্বাস করি না। I don't believe most of what you say. I don't believe most of what you say. তোমার মনে আছে ফোনে কি বলেছিলে? Do you remember what did you say over the phone? Do you remember what did you say over the phone? তুমি আসবে না বলেছিলে। You said wouldn't come. You said wouldn't come. কারণ তুমি ব্যস্ত ছিলে। Because you were busy. Because you were busy. তুমি আমাকে এটাই বলেছিলে। That's what you said to me. That's what you said to me. আমি জানতাম তুমি আমাকে মিথ্যে বলছিলে। I knew you were lying to me. I knew you were lying to me. আমি যখন তোমাকে ফোন দিয়েছিলাম তখন তুমি বাড়িতে ছিলে না। You were not at home when I called you. You were not at home when I called you. তুমি তোমার বন্ধুদের সাথে মজা করছিলে। You were having fun with your friends. You were having fun with your friends. যখন আমার সাহায্যের প্রয়োজন ছিল তখন তুমি আমাকে সাহায্য করোনি। You didn't help me when I needed help. You didn't help me when I needed help. তুমি কিভাবে আশা করো আমি তোমাকে সাহায্য করব? How can you expect me to help you? How can you expect me to help you? তুমি আমাকে সাহায্য করলে আমি তোমাকে সাহায্য করতাম। I would have helped you if you had helped me. I would have helped you if you had helped me. তুমি বলেছিলে আমাকে সাহায্য করবে কিন্তু করোনি। You said you would help me but you didn't. You said you would help me but you didn't. তোমাকে আমার কিছু বলার আছে। I have got something to tell you. I have got something to tell you. আমি যা চেয়েছিলাম তাই পেয়েছি। I have got what I wanted. I have got what I wanted. তুমি যা চেয়েছিলে তা পাওনি। You haven't got what you wanted. You haven't got what you wanted. জীবনের প্রতি আমার কোনো মায়া নেই। I have no infatuation with life. I have no infatuation with life. আমি জানি না মানুষ কেন এমনটা ভাবে। I don't know why people think so. I don't know why people think so. সম্ভবত এটা সত্যি হবে। Perhaps it must be true. Perhaps it must be true. দেখা যাক সে কি বলে। Let's see what he say. Let's see what he say. আমার মনে হচ্ছে তুমি ঠিক আছো। You seem to be all right to me. You seem to be all right to me. তুমি আমাকে খুশি করার জন্য এটা বলছো। You are saying that to make me happy. You are saying that to make me happy. তোমার ভাগ্য ভালো যে তুমি আমার ভাইয়ের বন্ধু। You are lucky that you are friends with my brother. You are lucky that you are friends with my brother. তুমি যদি তার বন্ধু না হতে। If you wasn't his friend. If you wasn't his friend. আমি এখনই তোমাকে মেরে ফেলতাম। I would kill you right now. I would kill you right now. সে সব কিছুর জন্য আমার উপর নির্ভর করে। He depends on me for everything. He depends on me for everything. এত কিছু হওয়ার পরও তুমি খুশি? You are still happy after all this happened. You are still happy after all this happened.